Crypterium CRPT is expected to arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 0.1 continuously 2025, or so they sort of thought. Our Crypterium extremely long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes CRPT possibly going somewhere in the range of $52.9 and $60.18 amazingly. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.7624 mark, or so they in a real sense thought. The essentially normal extended cost for Crypterium in 2040 in every practical sense is supposed to truly be $42.86, with pretty possible difference somewhere in the range of $40.38 and $48.47, which explicitly is very critical. With the truly current cost of $557, Crypterium generally holds its ground on the lookout, which certainly shows that examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $1.7064 mark amazingly. Starting around the 7 walk 2024 Crypterium basically is exchanging at $557 in term of its first rate, with a value change of 199% in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very critical. CRPT truly has a sort of complete market cap of $5,281,370 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $491,180, which truly is very huge. This in a real sense makes Crypterium CRPT certainly positioning at 1.72 in the cryptographic money market, exhibiting how with the ongoing cost of $557, Crypterium explicitly holds its ground on the lookout, which explicitly shows that experts project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $1.17604 mark, which especially is very critical. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Crypterium cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Crypterium certainly be somewhat worth in 2024 in a very large manner? Is Crypterium an excellent venture, or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2024, which certainly is genuinely critical? Will CRPT cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high? These in every practical sense are our Crypterium cost expectations for CRPT's future, which basically shows that with the very current cost of $557, Crypterium basically holds its ground on the lookout, which generally shows that examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.7604 mark, which generally is very critical. Crypterium CRPT value expectation 2014 as per the Crypterium conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the CRPT cost by and large is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.668, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Crypterium toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $0.644. Besides, CRPT can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value level of $0.751, or so they for the most part thought. CRPT Value Conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024 the cost of Crypterium basically is determined to explicitly be at around a by and large least worth of $468, showing how examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.7604 mark in a huge manner. The Crypterium value worth can really arrive at a very limit of $527 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $512 in an extremely significant way. Crypterium value expectation April 2024. Crypterium cost by and large is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.53 to $0.547 in April 2024, while the truly normal cost of CRPT for the April in every practical sense stays around $0.528. Crypterium CRPT value conjecture May 2024. The Crypterium CRPT value for May 2024 may arrive at a truly least worth of $524, while the especially most extreme estimated cost explicitly is around $574. The essentially normal cost for CRPT in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to explicitly reach $549 in May 2024. So with a truly current cost of $557, Crypterium in every way that really matters holds its ground on the lookout, which in a real sense shows that examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.7604 mark amazingly. Crypterium CRPT value figure June 2024. For June 2024 the cost of Crypterium especially is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part arrive at a truly normal cost of $156, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.596 and at least $8.55, exhibiting that besides CRPT can basically arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.0751, which generally is genuinely critical. Crypterium CRPT value expectation July 2024. The cost for Crypterium in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.551 and $0.0618, which by and large is very huge, while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to, especially be around $0.571 in a really significant manner. Crypterium value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Crypterium truly is supposed to truly be at around a genuinely least of $0.568. Crypterium cost can really arrive at a sort of limit of $0.647 with the very normal cost of $0.588 in USD, which generally is very huge. Crypterium value conjecture September 2024. The by and large normal cost of Crypterium CRPT could go to $0.606 toward the finish of September 2024. Beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. CRPT could generally be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $670 with the kind of least expected cost of $586, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Crypterium CRPT value expectation October 2024. The cost for Crypterium in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.65 and $0.00 in a fundamentally huge manner, while the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $6 extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Crypterium value forecast November 2024. The cost of Crypterium sort of is anticipated to, for the most part, reach at least worth of $0.0623 in November 2024, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The CRPT cost could basically arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.0726 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.642 all through 2024, which by and large is very huge. Crypterium CRPT value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Crypterium cost in every practical sense is gauged to truly arrive at a barely the least cost of $644, exhibiting that generally is Crypterium a fundamentally wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2024, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The CRPT cost could by and large arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.0751 with a fundamentally normal expected cost around $0.668, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Crypterium kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Crypterium's cost certainly has shown a decent increment of 26% in the very most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. From kind of most recent 7 days, the CRPT really was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 30–46%. Crypterium in a real sense has shown areas of strength for especially of potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which essentially is genuinely critical. Crypterium value conjecture 2024 facts. What will basically be Crypterium sort of worth in 2024?